Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, so the topic today is should you optimize for traffic or conversions with your Facebook ads and kind of like when and why, right? What's the pros and cons to each, how to make that decision. So, when you're setting up your Facebook ads, you're at the campaign level. Facebook gives you a whole bunch of options for what you want to optimize for, right? They're basically asking you, like, what is the objective of this campaign, right? The objective meaning like what is your goal here, what are you trying to achieve? And while there are tons of options like video views and reach and awareness and things like that, the main thing we're going to talk about today is the objective of traffic versus conversions, because those are the most popular two campaign objectives that you will be choosing from when you're running your Facebook ads. And it's important to choose the right objective. And I want to explain real quick why that is without getting too tech nerdy and in the weeds. Um, Facebook knows what kind of behavior people participate in on Facebook, right? And whether we think that's creepy or not, it's really, really good thing for advertisers. And so Facebook tracks like who are the people who like to click on stuff, right? They're clickers, I call them. Who are the people that are converters, meaning they sign up for stuff, they opt in for things, they buy things, right? They're the converters. Facebook also knows who are kind of the stalkers, right? Like those people who just kind of browse through the news feed and they don't really like or comment very many things. They don't really share many things. And so Facebook knows the behaviors of every one of their users. They know who are the clickers, who are the converters, who are the stalkers, who are the sharers, right? And so when you're choosing the objective for your ad and you're telling Facebook, well, I'm trying to get traffic, right? I want people's eyeballs on this thing as much as possible. Or I'm trying to get conversions, meaning I'm trying to get them to sign up for something or to buy something. When you choose to optimize for traffic, you're telling Facebook, I want you to show my ad to people who are most likely to click on my ad and go visit my website, right? They're clickers to go visit this page. And so the benefits, or when actually, that you would use traffic to optimize or as your objective for your campaign is when you're running traffic to, say, a blog post, right? Your goal is just to get people to go to your website and read your blog. That would be a really good use of a traffic campaign. And then the other time that I use them a lot is if, let's say, you have a podcast episode and you've got it on your website or on iTunes or whatever, and you want to get more people listening to that podcast, then you could run a traffic campaign to send people to your website or iTunes or whatever to listen to the podcast episode. Okay. Those are the two main, most common times that I will use a traffic campaign. Also, if I'm running ads to get people to join a Facebook group, I'll also do a traffic campaign. So those are the three most common reasons to use a traffic campaign, because you're just trying to get the clickers to click on your thing and go to this thing and read or watch or listen to whatever, right? There's no sign up that needs to happen. There's no purchase that needs to happen. That's what a conversion is. There's a sign up or a purchase or something. That's the action that they take. So really the only time, I'm not gonna say the only time, but the main top three reasons that you would use a traffic campaign is to just get people clicking on that ad and over to a page to read something. However, if you actually want them to sign up, you want them to opt in for your lead magnet, sign up for your free webinar, buy your e-commerce products, purchase your SLO, sign up for your challenge, whatever. When you want people to actually take a step and either pull out their credit card or give you their email address, you want to optimize for conversions, because again, Facebook knows the people who are most likely to do that. And so let's just take an example. If you were targeting Tony Robbins, right? Like you wanted to show your ads to Tony Robbins. Within the Tony Robbins audience of people who follow him, their Facebook knows which of his followers are the clickers, which ones are the converters, which ones are the stalkers, which ones are the sharers, all those things, right? And so when you're optimizing and setting your campaign objective as conversions and you're showing that ad to your audience, Facebook is showing that ad to the slice of pie of that audience of people who are most likely to convert. Now, it doesn't mean that they'll never show your ad to the clickers. Doesn't mean that. And it doesn't mean that clickers can't become converters, right? But what it means is that when Facebook first launches your ad, they're going to show it to the people who are most likely to convert if your objective is to get people to convert. Okay. Now, if your ad's been running for a really long time and Facebook has now shown your ad to all the people within the Tony Robbins audience that are converters, well, guess what? Now they're going to start pushing it down and showing it to the clickers, right? And like I said, just because someone's known as a clicker doesn't mean that they won't convert on something, right? And doesn't mean that they never convert. It's just that Facebook knows what people's most common actions are when they're on Facebook. And when you launch your ads, Facebook wants to give you the best chance of success right out of the gate. And so they're going to try to show your ad to the people who are known converters or known clickers or whatever. Same thing with video views. If you're optimizing your ad for video views because you're running a video and you really want people to watch the video, Facebook knows who usually watches a lot of video. They're going to serve your ad to them first. Does not mean that they're never going to show it to people who take any other actions, but they're going to start there. And so it's really important that you choose the right campaign objective, because I'll give you a perfect example. Let's say that your goal is to get people to sign up for a free lead magnet, right? This free PDF that you have that you want people to give you their email address in exchange. You give them this free valuable PDF, right? So let's say you make the mistake of optimizing for traffic because you're like, well, I do want a lot of people to come to this page. That's my goal. I want a whole bunch of people to come to this page, right? Because you want people to get to that page, but you don't want them to just go to that page and read it. You want them to actually sign up. So if you optimize for traffic, you're going to get a ton of clicks to that page and not very many signups. Doesn't mean that none of the clickers will sign up. I think I've said that way too many times now, but it doesn't mean that they won't sign up. It just means that the majority of the traffic going to that page are just going to be clickers. And so what happens when you do that, you make that mistake, is you get a whole bunch of clicks on your ad and they're really cheap, but you're not getting any signups. And so what do? You assume that either people don't want your PDF, or you assume I'm showing my ad to the wrong people. I have a targeting problem, or you come up with some other reason, but it could just be, and most likely is, what you are optimizing for. And so please don't make that mistake. It will make a huge difference in the success of your campaigns by choosing the correct objective. And when you choose the wrong objective, it will often lead you to believe there's a problem with your funnel when there isn't. Okay. So really short and sweet today, but a very important topic about what objective to choose for your campaign. Should you choose conversions versus traffic? And the key here is to always, always, always choose the objective of that which your goal is. Okay. If your goal is to get eyeballs on it, do traffic. If your goal is to get people to sign up or buy, do conversions. All right. So that is the topic for today. Like I said, quick and easy, but super, super important. And I'll see you guys on the next Facebook Live.